Hey guys, this is Elite Magic Productions with another how-to video. This video is how to install and use AOL Instant Messenger, or AIM for short. AIM. So first, you want to go to the internet. Now you want to type in AIM.com. Bring you to the dashboard. Now you want to, up here will show the newest installation. If you have Mac, click that. If you have Windows or Windows XP, click there, install now. Do run. And now you want to do run again. Now you want to wait. Now I'll click OK. Now you want to click agree. Now you want to click next. Now you want to wait. Sorry, I'm using my phone, sorry. Okay, now you want to do next. If you want the tunes or games, click that. Next, and launch. Now to make an account, you want to go to AIM. You want to go to, let me think. Sorry, you want to minimize AIM. Now go back to AIM.com. Now you want to go to get a screen name. Yes. You want to do create an account. Yes. I just want to fill your information here. Name, password, email. Hit enter a question. Like birth date, gender, country, zip code. They need to fill a security check. And then you have to go to your email and get a verification. And all you do is you go to your AIM. So find AIM. Open AIM. Go to AIM. Let's type in my other one. It's my COD 4 PS3 account. I'm going to log in. And here it is. I have 2 friends on it. So there you go. So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment. So thanks for watching another video by Elite Magic Productions. See you later.